Today we have came with a new question. Let's understand the question. In a certain college, the number of girls is twice the number of boys. It means that the number of girls is twice among the boys. 1/5 of the girls and 1/8 of the boys took part in a social camp. It means that 1/5 among the total students, 1/5% of the girls and 1/8 of the boys took part in a social camp. So what part of total number of students took part in the camp we have to find. So okay student, let's start, but before that please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and share, like and comment to this solution. Let's start. Solution. Now first, the thing you have to understand very carefully each and every step. Suppose in a certain college the number of girls is twice the number of boys. Here we having a logical method, but before starting let's suppose that let the total number of students B is equal to x. This x is the total number of students. Now in a certain college the number of girls is twice the number of boys. So number of total girls is equal to twice the number of boys. So 2 beta 3x. The basic things, the main step which you have to understand is this: number of girl is twice. Now what does this 2/3 and from where does it came? Suppose 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, 2 plus 1 3. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, and before 3 it becomes 1. Okay, here what does it mean? Here it means that twice the girls and 1% the boys, and this for girls. So for that reason we say that 2/3 here means 2 for girls, and we put plus 1, it becomes 3 for boys. It means this twice the girls of these are the total we supposed it. So this is the main thing which you have to understand. Number of girls is twice the total number of the students. This x means that this is the total number of boys and girls studying in the college. Now we must have to remember this the number of girl is twice, and let the number of boys be, and let the number of boys b is equal to 1 x beta 3 x upon 3. So what? 1 means 1% for boy and twice for girls. So how much it becomes? So we for these two, if we plus it, 2 plus 3x plus, just for understanding, for rough work, and for boys 1 plus 3x, we get 3 and 3 cancel, 2x plus x is equal to 3 beta 3x. So the answer is 1. The answer becomes only x, the total student. If you understand this, it means that these are the number of girls among the total student, and this is the number of boys among the total students. So if you understand this, that now we have got the number of boys as well as the total number of girls. Okay, according to the question, 1/5 of the girls and 1/8 of the boys took part in a social camp. So how many portion of girls and how many portion of boys among the total student took part in the camp? So number of girls took part in social camp. This is for girls. That number of girls who attended the social camp, that is 1/5. 1/5 of what? 1/5 of the total girls. So how much is the total girl? 2/3. We multiply by it, 2/3 x. So what does this mean? This means this is the total number of girls and 1/5 of the girls attended the social camp. So we get the answer 2/50x. So what is this? Number of girls attempted the camp. So we are having this, the main, and the number of boys took part in the social camp. Now the second step, number of boys took part in social camp. How much? Is equal to 1/8. 1/8 of the total boys. 1/8 of the total boys. So we are having the total number of boys x upon 3, and number of boys took part in social camp is the 1/4 among the boys. How much boys? X upon 3. We got x upon 3 from here. Let the number of boys be this, which is the total number of boys, and for the social camp, 1/5 of the total number of boys attempted the camp. So here we get the answer x upon 24. So at the end of this question, what part of the total number of students took part in the camp? So what part of the total number of students took part? So here we have this portion, this part, and this part, these two part. Number of girls attempted the camp and number of boys attempted the camp. These two. So these are the total number of girls and number of boys who attempted the camp. So here total. So let's see total number of student. Total number of student took part in camp. So how much? 2 upon 15x, 2 upon 15x plus, this is the number of girls who attempted the camp and the number of boys who attempted the camp, plus x at 24. So we take the LCM of this. So what is common, we put it here. For this we take the common, it becomes how much? For this, how we get it here, how to solve this to take it common from here, we do like this: 15, 24. So like this, it becomes 2, 15, 12, it becomes 2, 15, 6, 2, 15 and 3, now 3, 5, 1 and 5, 1, 1. So how much? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. We multiply this all these things, so what we get the total answer: 1 2 3, 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. We take this total here, he put it here, it becomes 120. If we multiply all this, it becomes 120. So we have taken 15 and 24, we put the overall answer 120, which is multiple of 15 as well as 24. So so what would be the answer? 15 divide 120 divided by 15, we get the remainder 16. 60 we get the remainder 8, and 8 multiplied by 2, we get 16x plus this, and 120 divided by 24, we get the answer 5x, we get the answer 5x. So 21 upon 120x becomes 120x. It becomes 120x. So we make it easy: 7, so we divide it by 3, it becomes 40. So okay friend, we have got here the answer 7 upon 40x. So this is this 7 upon 40 is the part, total part 7 upon 40. Now what does this mean? 40 means that total number of student took parts in camp. It is the numbers is equal to 40. The same thing as we discussed in the top. 40 means 40 total numbers, these are the number of students, and here we get the answer 40 for students, total students, and 7 upon 40 for the parts. These answer. Okay, so hope you have understand. You can put it part 7 upon 14th parts of the total students in the total among these students, boys and girls both, who attended the camp. So this is our answer, and 7 upon 14th is the answer which has been asked in the question, and 40 is the total number of students who attempted the camp. So thank you very much, hope you have understood. So it is an humble request to you all, please like and share, and appreciate us, like us, and if you want such more question, then please comments below. Thank you very much. Hope we will meet in the next question. Thank you very much.